What's up, guys? We're currently stood underneath a big bridge. Not going to bother with no fancy intro today, just to see how we get on without the intros and stuff. Just fishing, that's what we want to see. And it's a bit late in the afternoon now, too late for dry flies. We're Euro Nymphing. You in? And Kyle's in. Another skinny water stream adventure with the main man, Kyle Cheshire. Mike, he's doing a mic test. Olives coming down.
This is banging in the summer, all this skinny fast water.
Yeah. There's an olive there, see it flying with it?
Yeah, that's the same one.
Oh,
yeah, still. Oh, fucking couple of them. Loads of them coming off.
Little ones. Got a banging fish by here.
Yeah, it's worth a chuck in this seam today, but...
Go on then, I've been out before you.
Oh, it's lump, bro.
Told you, didn't I? That's the one I've had.
Thought they snagged then.
Woohoo! Yeah, boy! First fish of the day.
Gonna snap me off now. Think he is gonna snap me, this fish, bro.
It's a snag there, mind.
Yeah, he's going for it, bro. He's in it.
Try net it.
Think he's come off and my fly is stuck in there.
Oh, never. That's a gut there. Oh, it was a nice fish, wasn't it?
Alright.
There, guys, just caught an olive flying past me. Tiny
Snap
little
me.
olive. Huh?
Snap me.
It happens, bro.
Oh, I knew. I said beforehand he was going to snap me, didn't I? I knew where he was going.
Yeah, but plenty more. Well, they take the drop though, or the...
Yeah, drop her. A wet arm though.
It was flashing in the... Such a catch-22 with this light tippet, isn't it?
Yeah. It's hard to see. I mean, you fish heavier tippet, you don't get the same presentation, don't you?
Nah, you don't. What tippet do you want diameter today?
0.12, that's all I ever use, but 0.12 this time of year, as soon as it starts to get low, I'll go to 0.10 now.
Guys, I always do an underhand granny knot under my water knot just to keep my fly away from my main line, my main tippet, sorry. I'm on 0.14, I am.
Must have been an awesome angler that showed you that, bro.
Yeah, it was. Because I kept getting tangled.
I don't hardly do it. I don't get tangles that much, but it wet you when it's windy.
Oh yeah, when it's windy it can be a nightmare.
It is good, but
right, after Kyle just got violated by a lump, I'm up and I'm probably going to get stuck in a tree. I probably won't even catch a fish. Oh well, at least I didn't get stuck in a tree on the first flick.
There's a couple of big fish in this pool, but isn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that downstream wind stinking.
Good shit, that's why I put heavier fly on.
Try the edge first. Oh, there's a tree.
Wait. Under, now, yeah, now over. Now
Under,
over.
now over.
Yeah, now over, yeah.
Back with the tree now. There we go.
Hey.
Oh, this is giving me some stick as well. Is that on a snag? That's on a snag as well. I think the same thing just happened to me as you.
Don't know, but
He's gonna.
I can see it flashing in the water.
Fuck's sake. How could it happen to both of us?
Is it still on? Can you see it?
Nah.
No, I think it's off now.
Oh, we just got both got violated.
At least mine was a lump.
Mine was tiny.
It was a good fish, man. It was a pound fish.
Yeah, nice fish.
You just do both your flies.
Yeah, gotta be big again. Hey, he beeped to us when I waved. It's like being drunk, innit, on these rocks.
Oh, aye.
Yes, Kyle. Top angle in, bro. Imagine chasing a huge fish on these slimy rocks.
That'd be a nightmare, wouldn't it? Whee.
Nice fish.
It'll do.
You weren't letting that one get away yet, was you? Woo! Banger. There he goes. I knew it. Oi, oi! Top angling, bro. Netted that like a beauty. No messing around in the fast water. You can't hear me from here. He's deaf as hell, Kyle. Good fisherman though. Yes, finally. Heavier fly. Whee! Not a bad fish. You're definitely livening up now, innit?
Yeah. Fighting hard.
Yeah. Unlucky, mate, you got twisted and netted. and snapped me. Oh, never. Look at that. Decent fish, that is. Let's get it back now. Oh, yes. Kyle's into a good fish.
He didn't feel that big and now he's woke up.
How big is it?
Oh, it's not £3, I don't think. I don't know. £2 maybe?
Huh?
£2 maybe?
You want a photo?
if you don't mind, but
Ah, you're gonna make me come down here, and you?
come down by there, bro. By these tree roots is probably the best bet to get down. It's a bit fucking dodgy, but there. It's a nice one, look.
Banger. I think this one's too deep for me. Nice. Let's take a closer look. You thought it was smaller than that, didn't you?
Yeah,
let's have a look. There's a new reel there. Pure Swiss made semi-auto bad boy. Point or dropper? Fly back on.
Tail on him.
What a fish. Go on, brother. Weird. Yes. Finally.
No mistake in that one.
There was no mistake in that one. Only tiny one in the head, like.
Watch that branch above your head, bro.
I know.
Get in the
Look.
net. Whee.
Beautiful red spots on that one. Wants to go back. Maybe it's this dirty flashback fly they don't like.
Nah, they'll have a crack at anything.
Huh?
But they'll have a crack at anything, I think.
Nice one. Splashed my sunglasses, that did.
Ah, you me up as well.
Tangled you up.
Yeah,
That's that strain that gets massive, that is.
yeah. Ow!
That brownie colour, isn't it?
I'm not after me, bro.
Oh, he's got. Oh, I popped it in there.
Yeah.
Nice one. Look how shiny the top of it is.
Very pretty. Yeah, they're right in the fast water, but they're on the bottom there, aren't they?
Yeah.
Or, you know, just down underneath that broken current.
Gonna change my fillet.
And change our flashback here, or the dropper.
Drop that.
Yeah, put something a bit heavier on.
Just do something in there.
That's a bit light, I think, but something heavier than I want.
You reckon?
Yeah.
I was feeling the bottom, I was though.
I got a 3.8 and a 3.3 on there.
Yeah, that should be alright. That's.
Yeah, actually.
I think that's heavier than the Perdia, yeah.
I won't sink as quick as a Perdio.
It's a problem, innit?
That's what Perdies are for. They surely get down quick. So,
I haven't got much confidence in that. My point fly is huge, but so I'll just put this on as a go.
it's not that big, but what is it, a 14?
I think it's just because it's tied.
On a curved up.
Yeah.
I don't fish many curved up patterns, but on the odd check nymph for grayling. So I was number 5 then, I was running out of this pool. I had 2. No, number
3 or 4. No.
That was my third out there. And
Odd
yeah,
one.
no, that was number 4 hour.
One. Best pool all day.
Yeah, I'm in Spain. And rice pudding as well. Do you like rice pudding?
I used to.
Oh, Spain is they're famous for their rice pudding, but
There's a reason I don't like rice pudding.
why is that?
So when I was a kid, I fell off my push bike. I was going down a steep banking, put my front brake on, went over and landed stomach first into a tree stump.
Oh yeah, yeah.
All my mates were laughing at me and I had to ride home to our mobile phones then. And when I got in, I was like, I was so winded. I was like, I need to go to hospital. My mum, I couldn't talk. She's like, try that rice pudding here, see if you can eat anything. She said that. I had one mouthful. I was like, I can't. I ended up in hospital for 3 days with a punctured spleen.
Oh fucking hell.
Yeah.
No wonder you couldn't eat.
Yeah, I haven't had rice pudding since.
Did they take your spleen out then?
No, I had to stay in hospital because if it ruptured, I could have died.
Yeah, yeah. Usually they take it out, don't they?
Yeah.
I got my flies in the water as well, get them out.
It's not a lump, I think you just went mental. I don't know.
I didn't see it then. Nice fish though in there.
Yeah. Got to press record. Unless I was already recording.
I'm freezing now, bro.
This fish definitely have never been caught before. The way he's scrapping.
Wait, now it's fucking smaller than I thought. He's going for it, didn't he? Look at him.
Trying to get him out with our main flow. He is a savage. I got him.
Oh, it's a nice one.
It's a nice fish, yeah.
Oh,
Another good fish there. Took the flash back. How would you say that is? £1.25?
yeah.
Look at that, absolute scrapper. Well, that's our, the dark ones, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like the worm tracks like, on the top.
It's a decent fish.
Where was that one too?
Middle again, but yeah.
Whoa! Get your rod over this way, bro. Big fish, is it?
No. Good fish, not a big one. I don't think, anyway.
That reel sounds lovely, mind, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Well, that's a good fish. It's at least £2, isn't it?
I don't think so.
No?
I don't know.
All I saw was the tail then.
It's just going mental, he is. Oh yeah, it's about £2 on. It looks like the same fish I just caught, man.
I know.
Same sort of spot
I was going
pattern.
to say that, but I didn't want to sound like a twat.
Oh no, it's a different one. Not £2, maybe £1.50, maybe. But fat fish, bro.
It's about £1.50. Absolutely gorgeous. Fat, isn't it?
Fat as hell.
Short and fat. And a lovely, elegant release. Let's go. We've got to probably get more, 1 or 2 more now. Every time.
I've seen it.
Yeah.
They're going for it in this pool as well, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. Really going for it. They feel heavy as well because the current. So
Yeah. There's a fair push on top of that water, seeing it.
yeah.
Watch that tree branch by you, bro. Oh, that's another yellow one, I think.
Oh, banger. Whoa. Really yellow. Yes,
That's a
we
nice
got him.
fish. Boom.
Boom.
Wait, what's your odd tip?
This one's a male fish.
Number 7 out there, that is.
Oh, it's 7, is it?
Yeah. That last fish on number 6.
He took the red tag.
Take a bit of oh yeah, it's a nice fish, that is.
That's a really pretty fish.
Look at that.
Took the red tag there.
Stunning fish.
Stunning. It's a really yellowy one, isn't
The
it?
shoulders on it.
Woo! Look at this. Now this is a proper stunning fish. Really yellow.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Ta, buddy. Oh, come on. That's a nice one as well, isn't it?
No, it's not a big one.
Where'd you have that one?
Right in the middle again.
It's like a conveyor belt, the trout, the middle of this, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, but pretty one.
Stunner. Mopping up.
Yeah.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah, the only thing that's not nice is not moving because I'm freezing.
You're for freezing.
I can't even get past this whole, every fish I've had is in this spire.
I've been trying to fish the head a bit more, I have.
Are you after the lump or no?
And there we have it, typical, the camera was off. We quickly called it a day after this as it was getting cold and we had to get home. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you again soon.